First, I'll show you a little addition that was made to REDCap in the last edition. Where am I? Last version update. So what I did, this is again my common standard demo project. This is just one I did in class in March. So there's a bunch of junk records in here. Nothing is real. If I look at my record status dashboard, I've got this screening form and a consent form and whatever. And like if I open Colleen's consent form, I see that I put a consent date and time field on here, right? And so if I come back to my record status dashboard, open one of these others, like this one for Mark Sherry. So I've got my consent date and time. Yes, I received this signature. And I'll make this complete, save and exit the form. So in the past, if I wanted to pipe a date and time and not use military time, I couldn't do that. So hopefully I'm going to open this little form that I built, and we'll see how it looks. And sure enough, now it shows the date, and instead of military time, it will show AM or PM. So that's a new function. To do that, if you want to, and you could probably do this in a report or whatever, so you didn't show military time. All you need to do is append the variable name with AM/PM. Make sure that you put the whole thing in brackets. This is very similar to how you do smart variables. And then like if you had a survey and you wanted to pull something off the survey in particular, you could use the colon and then, modify it. So all you have to do is add the AM and PM. The consent date time is pulled off the consent form, and there it is, consent date time. So that's all there is to that. That was the only real new addition since I did all those demos last week.